Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a digital marketing strategy with HubSpot detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what a digital marketing strategy is. Define your business goals that you want to achieve through digital marketing. Research your target audience to grasp their needs and preferences. Create detailed buyer personas to represent your ideal customers. Dive into the competitive analysis to identify your main competitors and their strategies. Set measurable key performance indicators, or KPIs, to gauge your success. Log into your HubSpot account or create one if you haven't done so already. Navigate to the Marketing tab on the dashboard. Select Planning and then Marketing Strategy from the drop-down menu. In this section, start by entering your defined business goals. Next, input the details of your buyer personas. HubSpot allows you to create and store these personas, making them easily accessible. Utilize the Content Strategy feature to align your content with your buyer personas. Develop a content calendar to plan and organize your content publication dates. Begin creating quality content tailored to your audience's interests. Utilize HubSpot's SEO tools to enhance your content's visibility. Make sure to incorporate keywords that resonate with your target audience. Set up email marketing campaigns using HubSpot's automation tools. Target your segmented audience with personalized emails based on their behaviors. Monitor your social media channels through HubSpot's social media management tools. Schedule your posts to maintain a consistent online presence. Use HubSpot's analytics tools to track the performance of your marketing efforts. Regularly analyze your KPIs to measure the success of your strategy. Make adjustments based on the data to improve your overall marketing effectiveness. Engage with your audience through comments and feedback to foster relationships. Continuously educate yourself on evolving digital marketing trends and HubSpot features. Remember, a successful digital marketing strategy is a dynamic process that needs regular refinement. Stay committed to your goals and be adaptable to changes in the market. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.